Okay guys, so we have a massive thunderstorm going on, and the reason why I'm standing by the door and only having 2 lights on is just in case we have a power outage, and so it doesn't freak me out. And look at the neighbor's gutters. Look, it's leaking really bad. And you should have seen that lightning bolt before I started recording. That was huge. And it made a loud bump. So, right now it is 78 degrees. Okay, hang on. Okay. So we got leaking gutters and all that. Their gutters are leaking because it's raining too hard for their gutters. And right now, St. Louis is experiencing the same thing. A thunderstorm. Well, for Springfield it says 80 and cloudy. I highly doubt that it is cloudy. Yeah. It seems like it's getting a little brighter out here now. Oh, and by the way, before the storm came, it was looking like a tornado was about to come. Should have seen it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video.